Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send your PayPal balance to your bank account. First, securely log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet or Money section, which is usually found at the top of the page. From there, you will select the option to transfer money or withdraw funds to begin the process of moving your money from PayPal to your bank. Before initiating a transfer, ensure your bank account is already linked and confirmed within your PayPal profile. If you haven't done so, you'll need to add a new bank account by providing essential details like your bank name, routing number, and account number. PayPal will then guide you through a verification process, often involving small deposits or confirming your online banking credentials to secure the link. Now, select the linked bank account you wish to use as your transfer destination from the available options. Proceed to enter the exact amount you wish to transfer from your available PayPal balance. It's crucial to carefully review all the transfer details, including the amount and the destination bank account, to ensure accuracy before you confirm the transaction and send your funds. After reviewing all the details, confirm the transfer to initiate the process. Typically, your funds will arrive in your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days, allowing for standard banking procedures. For those needing immediate access, PayPal often offers an instant transfer option, usually for a small fee, which is generally around 1.75% of the transfer amount. This provides flexibility based on your urgency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.